Hello and welcome to the Hide Your Garden TV channel. In this brief video we will look at VitaLink Finale, another product new to our range. Finale is a finishing product which still contains a lower concentrate of nutrients needed in the flowering stage. These lower amount of nutrients are provided to ease the plant into the flush stage and to give a final flowering push. Finale helps the plant to ripen more evenly and produce increased yield. It also allows the plant to use up nitrate, which can affect flavour. Finale is available in 250ml, 1 litre and 5 litre bottle sizes. For information on schedule times, dosage rates and other products, please visit our website, Facebook and Twitter social media pages. Thanks for watching, see you next time.